Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to delete Pocket Option account permanently. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Pocket Option. After that, open the official website and then make sure that you are in the login section. Once signed in, you will be redirected to the website's homepage. In order to delete your Pocket Option account, you just need to click on the profile icon at the left side and then select Profile again. Once you are inside it, all of your account information will appear in front of you. To delete your account, you just need to scroll down to the bottom and select Delete Account. After you click on it, you will be asked for the reason. Simply select any one of them and then click on Confirm. Now, your Pocket Option account will be deleted automatically in 30 days if you don't sign in. But if you sign in before 30 days, your account will get restored automatically. So that's basically how you can delete Pocket Option account permanently. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.